Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to enable BitLocker Drive Encryption on Windows 11 and Windows 10. BitLocker is a built-in Windows security feature that encrypts your entire drive. This means all your files, documents, photos, videos, and personal data are protected from unauthorized access. Even if someone removes your hard drive and connects it to another computer, they won't be able to open anything without the correct password or recovery key. Your data stays completely secure at all times. BitLocker uses advanced encryption standards, also known as ES encryption, to scramble the data on your drive. Once encryption is enabled, everything on the drive is locked automatically, and Windows decrypts the data only when you sign in correctly. This process works silently in the background, so you usually won't notice any performance difference during normal use. Before we begin, make sure you are using a supported edition of Windows. Now let's move on to the steps to enable BitLocker. First, click on the search bar, type Settings, and open it. In the Settings window, click on System, then select Storage. After that, scroll down and click on Advanced Storage Settings, and then choose Disk and Volumes. Now, select the drive on which you want to enable BitLocker. Click on Properties, and scroll down until you see the BitLocker section. Here, click on the Turn on BitLocker option. If you are enabling BitLocker for the operating system drive, click on Turn on BitLocker again to continue. Next, the wizard will ask you to back up the recovery key. This recovery key is very important because it allows you to unlock the drive if you ever forget your password or face a system issue. If you are signed in with a Microsoft account, it is recommended to select Save to your Microsoft account. You can also choose to save the recovery key as a file or print it and store it in a secure location. For this video, we are selecting the Microsoft account option and then click Next. On the next screen, select Encrypt Use Disk Space Only, which is the faster option and ideal for new or lightly used computers. Then click Next. Now, Windows will ask you to choose an encryption mode. Since Windows 10 version 15.11 and later, a new encryption mode is available, and this is the recommended option for most users. If you plan to remove the drive and use it on another computer, you can select Compatible Mode. Otherwise, choose New Encryption Mode, and then click Next. On the following screen, you may see the option Run BitLocker System Check. This optional step allows Windows to make sure BitLocker can read the recovery and encryption keys correctly before encrypting the drive. It is recommended to keep this option enabled. Click Continue, and then restart your PC to begin the encryption process. Once your system restarts, BitLocker will start encrypting the drive. The time required depends on the size of the drive and the amount of data stored on it. You can continue using your computer while the encryption is in progress. That's it. You have successfully enabled BitLocker Drive Encryption on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.